Definitely need to purchase some winter tires. And let's hope we don't slide downhill now. I am currently the slowest Lamborghini in the world. Oh, that's sideways. That was very sideways. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Sean. This is Dream Cars Daily, and I'm in trouble. I haven't put winter tires on the Lamborghini yet, nor have I put the front drivetrain back in, so it's still rear-wheel drive. So I'm on summer tires, rear-wheel drive, and we got snow. I have to get into work. I have customers meeting me there today, so I don't really have a choice. I did not bring another car, so the Lamborghini has to get to the shop. We got it all nice and warmed up already. It's got to get to the shop, and I think we're going to be ice skating. Wasn't planning on filming this morning, didn't know we were going to get snow, but because I have snow and I'm going to be a moron and drive, I thought I'd take you guys with me. And out of the driveway. I think I'm just gonna hold the camera and kind of keep talking my way through this because, okay, well, there we go. First slide. Haven't even made it out of the driveway. Not feeling real promising right now. All right. Zero throttle right now. I'm using no throttle, and we are moving. Okay, throttle spins, even a little bit. So no throttle, second gear, and sideways. Yep, this isn't gonna be good. I don't support running stop signs, but there is no traffic, and I'm not sure if I stop, I will get going again. There are a couple spots that I am a bit nervous about because there is quite a large hill that I'm supposed to go up. I think I can go around it. For those of you that live in Kalamazoo, normally I would go up Westnedge Hill right now, and I don't think I would make that. We've made third gear. Oh, we have a light that I have to stop at. I'm going to turn traction control off because I think it will kill my ability to get moving again. Actually, I may not be moving again. Alright, we did get moving. I am turning because, yeah, I was going to try to avoid Westnedge Hill, but I need to continue moving and not getting hit by trucks, hopefully. Lots of sideways here. These roads are also sheets of ice right now, so that is definitely not helpful. So currently my plan is to try to continue moving the whole time. There is quite a bit of sideways, but if I'm moving, if I don't lose momentum, hopefully we'll get there. I think we can get there. Definitely need to purchase some winter tires. And let's hope we don't slide downhill now. Oh, yeah, little anti-lock action, and back into first gear and go. I am currently the slowest Lamborghini in the world. Got a Subaru behind me, you probably can't see it. No, you can't see it. Subaru behind me, probably wondering why in the world he got stuck behind this guy today. Because I'm sure they can drive through this just fine. Speed limit 30. Well, they don't have to worry about me speeding today. And we're sideways, sideways, sideways. Alright, we successfully made it around the hill. I don't know if you'll be able to see it out that way, but it's, you go up one side, down the other, and yeah, we just did a little loop around that. We're getting into downtown now where there's a lot more traffic, so hopefully the roads will be navigable by now. I'm feeling pretty positive. I think I'm through the worst of it. I'm in 4th gear now, 35 miles an hour. I think we're gonna make it. Oh, that's sideways. That was very sideways. That was 4th gear, very, very light throttle pressure. So I guess we're still pretty slick. Okay, 2nd gear slide. Alright. Corners aren't fun. Well, corners should be fun, but they're not fun today. Curve, and mainly these roads here appear to just be wet, which should be fine. First time all day. And there's the shop. I'm just going to carefully pull in here. Well, that is going to be the last drive on summer tires because that was sketchy. And the all-wheel drive definitely has to go back in, but we made it. A lot of sideways, a few scary moments, but we're here. Relatively safe. I'm gonna get the work van out. Lambo's coming in. I'll put it up on the lift and put the front drivetrain back in it. I've got to call Eric at Discount and get snow tires coming because I can't do today again. That was totally sketchy. It was kind of fun, totally sketchy. So anyway, that's probably gonna end this video. I don't think you need to see me put the drivetrain back in. Hit that subscribe button, throw me a like, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.